This video, we're going to use long division to divide a polynomial by a polynomial that's not a monomial. So these problems are like those in 12.7, number 17, 19, 21, 23, and 27 and 41. First problem is 6x squared minus 13x plus 2 divided by x minus 3. So we're going to have x minus 3 as our divisor, 6x squared minus 13x plus 2 is our dividend. So x minus 3 goes on the outside of our long division symbol. 6x squared minus 13x plus 2 goes on the inside. We're going to look at this first term, 6x squared, divided by this first term, x, and use our rules of exponents to tell us that that is 6x. We're going to write our 6x above the part that it is the same degree as that part with just the x. And then I'm going to take 6x times x to give me 6x squared. 6x times negative 3 to give me a negative 18x. Now to subtract, we're going to change our signs and add. And the leading term here should always zero out in each step. Negative 13x plus 18x is 5x. We're going to bring down our plus 2. 5x divided by x is 5. It's a positive 5, so we're going to put plus 5. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times a negative 3 is a negative 15. We're going to change our signs and add. 15 plus 2 is 17. So we write our remainder as plus 17 over our divisor of x minus 3. Let's do a few more examples here. This next one is 9a to the third minus 3a to the second minus 3a plus 15 over 3a plus 2. Three a plus 2 on the outside, and 9a to the third minus 3a squared minus 3a plus 15 on the inside. 9a to the third divided by 3a. 9 divided by 3 is 3. A cubed divided by a is a squared. I'm going to write a positive 3a squared above the a squared part. This is going to be 9a cubed and a 6a squared. I'm going to change my signs and add. Negative 3 minus 6 is a negative 9a squared. Bring down that next term of negative 3a. Negative 9a squared divided by 3a is a negative 3a. Right, minus 3a. Negative 9a squared minus 6a. Change my signs and add. Negative 3 plus 6 is 3. Bring down my positive 15. 3a divided by 3a is 1. plus 1 here, 3a plus 2, change my signs and add. 15 minus 2 is 13. Write that remainder over your divisor. We have 6x squared plus 18x plus 3 is our numerator, and 2x plus 4 is our denominator. 2x plus 4 goes on the outside. 6x squared plus 18x plus 3 goes on the inside. 6x squared divided by 2x is a 3x. 6x squared, 12x, change my signs and add. 6x divided by 2x is a positive 3. 6x, 12, change my signs and add. And there we go. The next problem is 2x to the third plus 3x squared minus 17x plus 2 over x minus 2. X minus 2 goes on the outside. 2x to the third plus 3x squared minus 17x plus 2. 2x cubed divided by x is 2x squared. Multiply that 2x squared over the entire x minus 2 and change my signs and add. Then bring down your next term. Take the leading term divided by the leading term. Change my signs and add. Bring down. Change my signs and add. There you go. This next one has some missing terms in it. And they tell us to use long division to solve it. We also could solve this one by factoring, but I'll go ahead and show you that in a second here. But you write the x minus 6 on the outside. We want to make sure that we represent every missing degree in the dividend here with a 0 coefficient, so we have all of our powers represented. That way, when we have x cubed divided by x and we get an x squared, we have an x squared spot here to put it above. And we're going to get x squared times x is x cubed minus 6x squared. And we're going to change our signs and add. And then we're going to bring down the next non-zero term here. So 6x squared divided by x is going to be a positive 6x. That's going to be 6x squared minus 36x. We change our signs and add. And we take 36x divided by x to get 36. That's going to be 36x, and 36 times 6 is 216, and it's negative. And we get a remainder of 0. That's why I was saying that this one could be solved by factoring. So let me show you that on here. This is one of our other techniques that we talk about. But don't forget that this is a possibility and you might want to try this. If your instructions just say divide and don't tell you to specifically use long division, this is a difference of cubes that we talked about in an earlier video, because it's x cubed minus 6 cubed over x minus 6. So it breaks down into x minus 6 times x squared plus 6x plus 6 squared is 36 divided by x minus 6. And x minus 6 divided by x minus 6 makes a 1 and leaves us with a quotient of x squared plus 6x plus 36. A couple different ways to do that problem, but this particular problem told us to use long division so we could practice putting those 0 coefficients in there. All right, let's look at another one where we have to put some 0 coefficients in. Y cubed plus 5y squared plus 1 over y minus 2. You see that the y term is missing there. Y minus 2 on the outside. Y cubed plus 5y squared plus 0y plus 1. Y cubed divided by y is y squared. That gives me y cubed. Cubed minus 2y squared. Change my signs and add. 7y squared plus 1. 7y squared divided by y is 7y. 7y squared minus 14y. Change my signs and add. Then this is 14. Change my signs and add. That's plus 29 over y minus 2. All right, that's it for my long division of polynomial problems. And I'll see you for the next video.